Hello, students. How is everything? Hmm, great. Today I'm here with a new story. The name of the book is Communicate with Cambridge, chapter number 3. Well done, Polly. Let's start a story. There are 4 characters in the story: Miss Rose, Polly, Mr. Connor, Ruth. So, this is a story about Polly, who is not punctual, who never comes to school at correct time. Now, we will learn that how she'll become punctual. You are late again, Polly, said Miss Rose, her class teacher. What happened today?
I'm sorry, Miss Rose. I missed the bus, said Polly.
It was the third time this week that she was late. She was late on Monday, then again on Tuesday, and here she was late on Wednesday too. You really must try to be more punctual, said Miss Rose. Let's learn the meaning of punctual. It means doing something at the correct time, not late. Students, we have read that Polly reached late at school. Her class teacher asked that what happened today? Why are you late? And Polly replied, I missed the bus. So, dear students, it was the third time this week that she was late. She was late on Monday, on Tuesday, and on Wednesday too. She is coming late to school daily. And her class teacher said that you must try to be more punctual. That means you should do your work at the correct time. Polly settled down to work and continued even after the bell rang. She wanted to catch up with what she had missed, so she went late for games class. Students, Polly reached late at school, so that's why she wanted to complete her pending work, and she went late for the games class also. Settle down means sat down comfortably. Continued, did not stop. Catch up, complete what others have done. Polly loved games. Her classmates were always willing to have her on their own team, even if she was late. Because Polly loved games, she was a good player, so that's why all students wants to have her in their own team. Mr. Connor, their games teacher, was talking to the rest of the class. Polly quickly joined the line because she was doing her pending work in the class, so she was late for the games period also, and now she quickly joined the line. We are having a race for your class on Saturday at 9 o'clock, Mr. Connor announced. Please don't be late. Now, their games teacher said that we have a race on Saturday at what time? Yes, at 9 o'clock. They have a race on Saturday at 9 o'clock, and their teacher said that please don't be late. Polly was excited. She knew she ran very fast. She was sure to win the race because she loved games. She was a good player, so that's why she was very excited. When Saturday came, Polly went to the field. To surprise, there was no one from her class there.
Where is everybody, sir?
Asked Polly Mr. Connor. Now Polly was very surprised to see when she reached to the field that no one was there from her class. Only Sir was there. So that's why she asked from the Sir that where is everybody, sir?
We had your race yesterday evening. Didn't you know? Miss Rose told your class about the change on Thursday morning.
It means she was late on Thursday morning too. She was late on Monday morning, Tuesday morning, and Wednesday morning too. Now again, she was late on Thursday morning. So that's why she missed the announcement.
Word meaning announced. It means told everybody about something.
Excited, very happy, and eager. Surprise, something that was not expected. She was very upset. She had missed a good chance.
I have to be more careful.
She thought, because now she was very upset. She was not punctual, so that's why she missed the good chance. She was very good player. Now she was very upset. Ruth, Polly's friend, visited her that evening.
How do you manage to be on time for everything?
Polly asked Ruth.
I like to be punctual.
Said Ruth.
I have an alarm clock that wakes me up every morning. I also make a note of important dates and events.
Now Polly was very upset and she asked from the Ruth that how do you manage all the things at the correct time? Then she said that I am very punctual and I have one alarm clock that wakes me up every morning. I also make a note of important dates. Then Polly said I should also do the same. 2 days later was Polly's birthday. At lunch, Ruth greeted her and handed her a brightly wrapped box. Excited Polly opened it. It held a lovely pink and white alarm clock. She wound it up and listened to the lovely ring sound it made.
Thank you so much, Ruth. This is just what I need. I truly am going to try and change.
Every night now, Polly sets her alarm clock. She wakes up early. The next morning, when the alarm rings, she also writes important dates and tasks on a board in her room. She never misses an event. Polly is the first person to get to class every morning. Now, students, Polly has changed. She has become more punctual. Do you know that how she become a punctual girl? Yes. Now she sets alarm daily and she writes important dates and events on the board. Very good. And now please tell me who gifted her a precious gift? Yes, please tell me. Yes, Ruth gifted her a precious gift. And who is Ruth? Great, her friend. And what was the gift? Yes, very good, great, excellent. It was alarm clock. Now Polly comes to school on time. So All the teachers are very happy with Polly, and now her class teacher said, "Well done, Polly." Now let's learn some more words meaning. Upset, unhappy. Events, important happenings. Greeted, wished. Handed, gave. Wound it up. Turn the key to make it work. I hope you all have understood the story very well. We have done chapter in the class. Words meaning we have done. So now what you will do, you will read the chapter again. You will watch the video and you will learn that how she became a punctual girl. So in the next video, we will do more vocabulary words, sentence making and question answers. For that time, take rest, complete your pending work and be more punctual like Polly.
Bye, take care, and thanks for watching the video.